Hello and welcome. This tutorial will give you step-by-step instructions on how to set up Proxy in self-service. From the self-service homepage, choose your username from the right-hand corner, and then choose View Add Proxy Access. Active proxies will show those that currently exist in our system and that are set up. These can be edited at any time by choosing the pencil on the right. If you intend to create a new proxy, choose from the drop-down menu under Add a Proxy. If there are users in our system that are already associated with your account, you may choose that one or add another user. It is important to enter the information in the required fields in this section: first name, last name, email address, confirm the email address, and the relationship. A list of choices are here. Choose one that relates to your proxy. The next area is what access you would like to give this proxy. You can choose Allow Complete Access, or you may decide that only limited access is needed. We will make a few choices here. Under Student Finance, allowing the proxy to make a payment. Under Financial Aid, maybe offering the proxy to see Offer Letter and My Awards, and also grades under Academics. After the choices are made, please be sure to complete and check the I authorize the institution to disclose my information to this party box, and then hit Submit. The system will then check to see if there are any existing users in the system that meet the ones that you have entered. If they do not, please click Continue, and you will see that your request was processed successfully. Your new proxy will receive an email with instructions on how to move forward. Thank you, and please remember to sign out to protect your record.